The AI revolution is moving at a breakneck pace. We're not even a month out from the GPT-5 release, and now OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, is already dropping hints about the future of AI with GPT-6. CNBC reports on his recent private dinner with reporters in San Francisco, where he emphasized a key feature: memory. Altman didn't give a release date, but people want memory, he said. People want product features that require us to be able to understand them. This suggests an even deeper, more meaningful memory for these AI models. This persistent, learned memory is a huge competitive advantage, a powerful moat for these AI companies. The more an AI gets to know you, the better it becomes. It learns your personal shorthand and your preferences, which makes it much more efficient. Instead of having to prompt the AI multiple times, it can anticipate your needs and shortcut the solution based on your work style. Instead of having to prompt the AI multiple times, it can anticipate your needs and shortcut the solution based on your work style. Altman also touched on the need for flexibility. He believes that while a product should have a default center-of-the-road stance, a user should be able to push it in a specific direction. For example, if you want your AI to be super woke, it should be able to do that, and the opposite should also be true. This presents a complex problem for frontier AI labs. If the AI simply reflects exactly what you ask for, it risks creating a digital echo chamber, much like what happened with social media algorithms that maximized engagement by amplifying fear and anger. However, many users believe their AI assistant should be a reflection of what they want it to be, a personalized tool for their daily workflow. This is a difficult balance to strike, reminiscent of the sycophancy issue where AI models would agree with anything a user said, no matter how ridiculous. This is a difficult balance to strike, reminiscent of the sycophancy issue where AI models would agree with anything a user said, no matter how ridiculous. It will be fascinating to see how the industry tackles this challenge. Now for some news on open source AI. DeepSeek V3. One is here, an open weights model you can download right now. This is a massive model, so you might need to wait for the quantized versions if your computer doesn't have a lot of VRAM. If you'd like me to do a full test of this AI, let me know. Another impressive open weights AI model from China is Qwen Image Edit. As the name suggests, it's a powerful image editing AI that is incredibly good at what it does. Key features include accurate text editing with bilingual support, high-level semantic editing like object rotation, and low-level appearance editing for adding or removing details. You can try out this AI at QwenAI or download it on Hugging Face. The examples are stunning. It can generate consistent versions of a mascot, rotate objects in an image to different views, and even create custom avatars. A great example shows it seamlessly removing a single strand of hair from an image without affecting any of the surrounding details or text. This model truly understands the content of an image, allowing it to isolate and edit specific parts while leaving everything else unchanged. This model truly understands the content of an image, allowing it to isolate and edit specific parts while leaving everything else unchanged. Now, a word from our sponsor. If you're building with generative AI, you need to check out Amazon Bedrock. It provides everything you need to get the most out of both open source and frontier models. Prompt optimization. Bedrock can automatically rewrite your prompts to improve performance and make them more concise. Intelligent prompt routing. It intelligently routes your prompts to the best AI model for the job based on your specific needs, whether that's cost, speed, or efficiency. Prompt caching. For repeated prompts, caching saves processing time and lowers latency. Model distillation. This technique allows a larger teacher AI model to train a smaller, more efficient version, transferring its knowledge to save on costs and resources. I'll drop the link below for you to check out Amazon Bedrock. Moving on, the major AI coding platforms have teamed up to create a standard for agent-driven development called agents.md. This is essentially a README file for AI agents, providing a predictable place to give context and instructions. If you use tools like Cursor, Factory, or others, this open-source standard will streamline your workflow across different platforms. Google has also been busy. Their new product, Opal, which lets you create disposable mini-apps with AI, is now in beta. You can build a node-based workflow with a simple prompt and share it with others. For instance, you can prompt it to take a YouTube URL, analyze the content, and generate a quiz, all with AI automation. You can build a node-based workflow with a simple prompt and share it with others. In other Google news, Gemini is now powering their home voice assistants, providing the next generation of help at home with a new product called Gemini for Home. Gemini is now powering their home voice assistants, providing the next generation of help at home with a new product called Gemini for Home. Perplexity's CEO, Aravind, announced they are working on something called super memory, which he believes will be a significant competitive advantage. As I've said, AI memory is the moat. When a model truly understands its users, it becomes incredibly personal and powerful. When a model truly understands its users, it becomes incredibly personal and powerful. A compelling new claim from Sebastian Bubik at OpenAI is that GPT-5 is solving new mathematics. He tested it with a complex convex optimization problem, and the AI was able to propose a better and correct solution than what was in the original paper. This demonstrates that the core intelligence of these models is already immense. But the real value will come from the scaffolding being built around them, with AI memory being a crucial part of that. Finally, we have some incredible progress in humanoid robots. Boston Dynamics released a new demo of their Atlas robot, which is now fully autonomous and incredibly smooth. It can manipulate objects and navigate its environment with impressive precision. The secret lies in a new approach that uses long-horizon language-conditioned manipulation, where you simply tell the robot what to do, and it figures out how to execute the complex task. Figure Robotics also released a demo of their Figure 2 robot walking over rough, difficult terrain. While not as fluid, this demonstrates impressive reinforcement learning capabilities, showing where the future of end-to-end neural networks for robotics is headed. And that's all for today's AI news. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. VO on end card if needed. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe.